Usually when homeowners are having trouble with landscape lighting, first thing they think about is a burned out bulb. But the bulbs in these things last a long time. Usually the problem, either a connection or moisture or both. So the first thing you want to check on is where this fixture connects to your main line, which will be slightly underground or sometimes just under the mulch. Make sure there's no corrosion on it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then encase it with silicone caulk to really keep it nice and dry. Then you'll want to take the bulb out very carefully and look for any corrosion where the bulb contacts are. You may need to use an emery board or a little bit of sandpaper to sand any corrosion off. Then spray it with a little contact cleaner to really keep it clean for a long time. Do a few little maintenance things like this. Landscape lights will last forever.